poppin', people? What is happening? 1 second. Where are we going? What is up? Where's my camera? Are we good? What is up, Vedant? Welcome to the London session. Let's go, boys, as people come in. Alright, let's go. Didn't say in the chat. Vedant in the chat. I've been great, my guy. Low volume on the Asian session, so I hope we could get something on the London session. Let's go. Bangers incoming today. I'm telling you, bangers incoming this week. Last week we were off to a flyer, so this week bangers only. Bangers, bangers, bangers only. Alright, so London session, let's go. Yes, let's go, let's go, let's get it popping off. We got 7 people in the house as of now. What is up, what's up? How's it going, what's hanging? Let's go. Absolute bangers incoming this week. Trust me, I'm so ready for this week. I was just looking at GJ. We're filling in the weekly, right? And that's pretty interesting, to be honest. But yeah, we have a weekly. This is now the new weekly support. On the daily. Okay, give me a second, unlock this. Alright, 920 will be our level. So we have a weekly slash daily support down here. Another daily support down here. So let's see. Key level right over here. 120. And man, you live in India itself or somewhere else? Yo, I live in India, my friend. I live in India itself. India itself. Vedant, you don't live in India, do you? Archie, Christy, what is good? What is poppin'? Are we ready for the banger week? Are we ready for bangers? Alright, so we... Yeah, I do. Where do you live, man, Vedant? I think yesterday I saw some posts of you on Instagram. I'm currently in Singapore. Yeah, that's what I saw you in Singapore on your post. So I was like, okay. They say congratulations. That's awesome. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Man's having a fun time out there in Singapore. Alright, so that's the Forex. That's the Forex support / resistance. How much space do we have? We have about a 20 pip range up there. Alright, let's get this popping off. Okay, bangers only. Okay, that's good. 420. 420 is 11. I'm here for yeah, I'm going. Okay. Do you watch F1? Yeah, didn't say I watch F1. I love F1. I'm here for just travel. Coming back next month. Nice, nice. Vedant, where in India? Which state at least do you stay in? Or are you placed at? Market maker? Oh, what? What are we talking about, Anirudh? What is up? Market makers only? What is up, my lad? Maharashtra, that's awesome. What are we talking about? Let's go. E20. How's it going, man, Anirudh? How you been? What have you been up to? Oh, Ludo is there. Welcome, welcome. Let's get today's stream absolutely popping off, eh? Can't complain. Absolutely. So on GJ, if we break the highs, we actually got a nice ride up to 770 or 750. Easy. We have the 600 and then the 770 target. So yeah, let's see the 4-hour flip. Oh, 4-hour has no bottom wick. Dangerous. That's awesome, man, Anirudh. Keep slaying, keep slaying. Hope you're doing. How's everyone in home and your parents keeping well? All good, man, Anirudh. Thank you for asking, and I trust everyone's good on your end too. So far, so good, man. As you can see, living life large. Absolutely letting it pop off. All right. So this is about to get interesting. Today's trading session will actually be interesting. So we can expect some sells below 200 and some buys above 420. Quick 10 pip scalps. I feel like the sells will be a little bit better to hold. And I feel like the scalps will be nice, pretty smooth actually. Alright, let's see. This is the 4-hour flip. And yeah. It's that time again. Let's get it. We have the 4-hour flip, weekly flip. What about the monthly? Monthly is just bearish, so yeah. But look at this rejection wick. What is that? 100 pip rejection? More than 100 pip. 200 pip rejection. Dion, what are we talking about? Interesting. GJ as of now is on the minor time frames bullish, but we're still in a bearish market, but we can see what we can scalp out of this. Alright, let's go. Come on, what are we doing now? I think there are some random bots having a nice talk in my chat. Look at this, okay? This is our stream from a few days back. What just happened? How is he talking and how does he have 47 likes on this comment? How is it a highlighted comment? What is this? I don't even know what he said. In general, I stated they have any upside from cryptocurrency. He's trying to promote. Get out of here. And we say bye bye. You know the vibe.
And we say bye bye.
Okay, so GJ, will we get a trade on GJ? Yeah, closure above that level should actually give us a good buy. Okay, let's take a look at Euro JPY. Now we can take a look at Euro USD. Look at this beautiful step moving. Okay, 128 is clearly the level at which you're rejecting. There you go. Come down to the weekly. Right there, you see this level right over here? There you go. What's up? There's 11 of you all. Come on, put it down in the chat. Tell me where you're from and what you're looking at for today. Tell me what's absolutely popping off on your end. It's the beginning of the week. Let's get them vibes up. Oh man. 4 time frame, we haven't been able to break 600. And we 1 second. Alright, and then aura point 600 and 400 right over here, that level. I like those two levels. Now we're gonna look at the more intricate levels that we can find. Let's go to the half an hour. It's more like 420. There you go. Cells are clean. Buy is not so clean. You have a rejection level right over here from 800 to 720, which you want to be careful of. Okay, the 650 level is where we are finding resistance at on the half an hour, 45 and 1 hour. $660. There you go. All right, let's get it off to a banger. Okay, put in chat what pair y'all are looking at today. What pairs y'all are looking at today? Put it in chat. Around 180 is an important support area. UCNUAJ, USD JPY is what Vedant is looking at. Alright, Game Point is looking at buy on US 30. Alright, Sharif, yo Sharif, morning, welcome to the stream. USD JPY, let's take a look at that. Oh damn. Look at the call from last week. Look at my no trade range, perfection. Look at the breakout of this zone also. Perfection. Intense, yo. Bring magic keys back. Oh, USD JPY pushing on higher time frame. Monthly time frame has broken all the highs possible. Alright, we marked out some. I just marked out some psychological levels. Okay. As we slowly come down the time frames, we can start looking for some better opportunities, you can say. So we can see this area is a rejection area on the daily time frame. What? Price hasn't been here since like even 2018 we haven't been here. So right now we're making like all-time highs if I'm not mistaken on the daily time frame. Yeah, since 2017 we haven't been here. There's like a small zone you can see over here. So my thought on USD JPY is to wait for the higher time frame to play out. So we may reject this level and break these lows to continue down. If this level holds up here, I'd be damned. Cause like I drew this off the daily time frame like barely. Samita Surya, what is good, my guy? Good afternoon. What is up? We're just looking at some pairs here. We're just breaking it all down, looking at what we can find. Oh, GJ closed above. You can take a trade on the candle flip, because we are breaking structure to continue up. So either you can take it now or you can wait for London. One of the two. So you know, so this is the first break of structure now. We're in this clean traffic range, right? So now we have a potential to move up to here. Only problem is we have this kind of weird consolidation beside it. We've made a nice bottom wick. USD JPY coming down. Let's see our technical fundamental indicator saying GBP strong, JPY weak. Okay, do we have any news coming in today? No. Is anyone on holiday today? No. China to lock down the Jilin province starting today. I have no clue what province that is either. Yeah, GJ on the flip would actually be pretty decent. We've broken the previous highs. Yeah, we should continue up. Alright. What level was that? 510. Small position to start the week. TP of 20 pips, but we'd be satisfied with 10. So yeah, that's gonna be interesting. But GJ has no bottom wick also, don't forget, GJ has no 4-hour bottom wick or weekly bottom wick. Let's check out gold. Gold breakout of this range is actually, I feel like it's gonna be a volume breakout of this range on gold, so yeah. Gold will be interesting this week. Euro JPY, if we break above these highs, we should continue pushing comfortably on Euro JPY. Let's check UD USD. It's GJ. GBP USD is coming back up here. More support right here. Okay, that's a pretty large rejection wick. I wouldn't be expecting it to break this previous low over here. Yeah, once this breaks its own low, at that point I'll close like half my trade, 50% of it. GBP USD has this one clean range coming up here to around 460. So if we do continue up, we could reject off the 15-minute levels. So I don't see the chat. Views on UC. You're right now, DCFX is actually under maintenance right now. My website is currently under maintenance. We're just changing some stuff up for you, so it makes it easier. If it breaks its own low, I'm closing half and leaving my stop loss, because I don't want it to break its own low. Let's see this fly. Give me a second, guys. Gypsy PJ also joined us in the Discord. What is good? Okay, let's look at USD CAD, right? Oh, USD CAD is right where we marked it at last week. USD CADs. I just want to monitor the trade, that's why. Alright, watching it play out. As we watch it play out, we want to be careful, we want to manage a risk. Euro JPY is beginning to push up. We're breaking this resistance. We should be able to push up easily, honestly. Not gonna lie. This looks pretty decent. So USD CAD, if we break this resistance, we should be able to move up easily. So if we break this resistance right over here on the 1 hour time frame, can you see we have this nice clean traffic region to drive the price up nicely, nice and strong. Right over there, you see that? So if we continue this bullish trend, then we can continue back up. Alright, if we break this low, I'm closing half. Alright, that's at 6 pips, close half. Trade is brought to 50% of it, and I'm holding stop loss where I am, and that is full trade is closed. GJ buys. Okay, AUD CAD. Okay, so wait, let's just look at USD CAD one more time. Let's just look at it in a little bit of depth. Here you go. USD CAD, once we break below this level, that actually should be pretty decent. 670, yeah. Once we push below 670, I feel like we should be able to capture this clean candle coming down, which should break even lower. So if we break above this level, we have buys on USD CAD. If we break below this level, we have sells on USD CAD. Just plain on break of structure, right? USD CAD gonna give us them plain break of structures to continue. So I would say wait for it. Which 1-to-1 is the best, yo, is what I think. Sorry, Azim, I'm so sorry. AUD CAD. Let's look at AUD CAD. Why are we looking at Canadian pairs so much today? Oh, that's why we're looking at AUD CAD. We just broke the previous 1 hour low. Okay, so firstly, we haven't even created a daily top width, but we're coming down to this daily support of sorts. Come down to the 4 hourly. Yep, we're approaching that. Really now. Now if GJ flips, everything is bullish on GJ. There's a possibility of continuation, but we'll have to wait for this 5 minute to close strong like this and wait for the next 5 minute to break its high, because now you want a confirmation before you take it. Let's go. Welcome Praise, welcome to the chat. How's it going, my lad? Alright, so AUD CAD, I would say we have to wait for a break below this level, right over here. So we have to wait for a kind of support to form and then a break of this level over here. Which could possibly be a 470 level. So we need to respect a level over here and then break it to find that continuation cells. I definitely feel a continuation coming on GJ, not gonna lie. Look at how this 15-minute candle is closing. Weak. Euro JPY moving up. I feel like there's not enough volume in this market, you know, right now. So be careful. Don't be sorry. I think 1-to-1 risk to reward is the best, bro. 1-to-1 risk reward. You know what you're risking. All as well. Let me just check this out. So now when GJ flips, will we expect it to continue breaking, or are we going to form resistance over here? I'm not feeling the volume right now, so we're going to wait for London Open. What's the time? That's the next 15-minute candle. Potential. Or you could wait for a break of these highs to continue up. One of the two. Gold is pushing up now. Euro JPY finished a nice move to the top. Honestly, Euro JPY has been so consistent. AUD CAD, if we're actually seeing so much of strength in it, when we do break below this level, we should continue down. Let me see, 410. If we break that previous 30-minute high, we can continue up easily. A 1 hour closure above this level will be vital though. Oh, but it already pushed 10 pips as per this breakout structure on the 1 hour time frame. So be careful, guys. GJ in a tough spot right now. Euro JPY in a tough spot right now at this resistance. What about AUD USD? What happened? Was there news this morning? What was there this morning? Russian delegate, it may be possible to reach a joint position between. I'm guessing that's the only thing that could possibly make sense to move it. Anyway, so AUD USD, looking at it, we have this level right here which we've broken. 460. Alright, and then we have this 1 hour level which we've just now formed, and 370. So I would say once we break below 370, we can continue down easily. We should be easily continuing at that point. Alright, next 15-minute candle gonna bring in that London volume, and as you can see, we're rejecting this area. So I think for me, the next candle break of this high, so 415, would be an interesting area, because if we break that, I'm expecting it to continue, right? So as of now, bringing this in. if we are expecting that continuation, I'm gonna have my buy stop at 515 and wait for it to create a bottom back and then activate my buy stop. So when it pushes through, I want it to push through my buy stop. Euro JPY, huge rejection, huge. USD JPY. Yeah, that's actually a pretty decent move to the downside. You see the lower high being created and then the break of structure on the minor time frame, right? On the 30-minute time frame, break of structure and continuation. Yeah, that's actually very clean. Let's go. Hopefully London has volume today. Otherwise they're probably gonna get scammed again. Alright, let's go. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. What are we looking at today? Gold, I'm just waiting for a breakout on either side, honestly. We have a nice rundown on gold here. 80 pips. And we have a run up of around 100 pips. Yeah, till like 1990 we can run up. GJ is just begging to get out of here. This 15-minute can honestly do it. Should we activate it? Let's just look to the left. We need to get above this level, 550. Interesting. Volume looking like it's gonna come in now. We'll have to flip this candle bullish, and at that point we would have made a 8 pip candle. 8 pips is not bad. Yeah, if we break the previous higher after this, then I don't mind getting it. Alright, we can slowly see the volume coming in. Look at the way we're forming up over here. The next 5 minutes will be able to give us proper perspective. So if you look at it, now the 500 level also is a very important level. Because I've never seen price react like this to the 500 level. Oh wow. Continuation. Impressive. Impressive. If that happens, I wouldn't want it to come back to entry though. That should continue up, honestly. Wow. There you go. Should continue up. We can wait for the next half an hour candle to give us an entry. Because at that point we're just explaining, we're just awaiting for clean volume to come in. Alright, 3 bid is still London Open. Because that's the 1 hour breakout, right? Now. So now we can wait for this 1 hour to close, wait for it to wake down and then wake up. Three minutes left. You can feel that price wants to push. Euro JPY continuing up. Euro JPY might actually close above this level, which should give us a good trade. What we have these candle wicks in between, but that shouldn't be a problem. 550, we're reacting to 550. Wait, how much is this? About 4 pips up in profit you should be. So we can wait for the next candle to wick down and then wick back up on the 1 hour time frame for continuation with London volume. Look at this, this is a perfect one. The break of the high. One and a half minute left. Come on guys, what are we looking at? How many of y'all are looking at taking GJ buys? And how many of y'all are looking at taking GJs? How many of y'all are looking at taking GJ, I think is the question. I don't know, I'm not feeling the volume. So we're not able to close down. There also, like, it's a weak 15-minute candle. Hmm. 30 seconds left, let's see how we close. We're closing with almost like a 5-minute rejection candle from the top. Oh yeah, we're closing with a rejection candle. There you go. Alright, the next candle is open. Now we need to see whether the London volume will be bullish or bearish. So let's give it a second. Previous 4-hour lows over here. Gold wicked up and is now breaking the previous 1-hour low. Okay, you can see London volume doing its thing. Let it figure out where it wants to go. It's a Monday morning, guys. What's popping off? Euro JPY closed weak. GBP USD no trade. Euro USD, nah, still no trade. Oh, but we have this level right here. Not really feeling it right now. What are we looking at, chat? We need a closure on gold below this level. We need the GJ to continue breaking and continue. Vedant USD GPY. Potential buys. Yeah, once we break above these highs, right? Once we break above these highs, we would have created a lower, higher low, higher high, right? So it's like, you see that? Bullish market. So that's why it's important. GJ continuing up. Alright, volume is confirmed and continuing. Let's see how it plays out. USD JPY 1 hour time frame potential rising. We need to break above this level, Vedant, to find buys first. Otherwise it gets a little dangerous for us. If gold closes below, we can get a potential banger. The thing is, we're expecting volume, but we're not getting the volume that we want. Tango, do you think it's gonna be like Asian session, no volume? That would have been nice. Oh, Monday morning is hard, eh? As in staying awake kind of hard. Let's check some news. Talks to resume as Russia widens assault in western Ukraine. Why are they continuing, honestly? Literally. GJ pushing. Gold dropping. Alright, right now we're having a move. Man, GJ pushed up like crazy. Damn, literally called this out. This GJ move. Once the 1 hour closes and we flip bullish. No problem. Let's right here. There you go. That's next resistance for GJ. Even if you had to take at the break of those highs, you still went up almost 13.5 pips. Interesting. Gold also dropped pretty hard after breaking the previous 1 hour low. 40 pips almost. Are there any other pairs we can take a trade on? GBP AUD successfully completed our range, what I called out on Friday. USD CAD looks like it's breaking down. We should be able to get a nice move down now on USD CAD. Okay, finally we're gonna get a close on gold though, below this level. Let's see if we can get a nice entry on gold. Gold, open calc, such market pending. Alright, let's see if gold closes nice and strong, then we can take it when the volume continues pushing it down here. Because gold should continue down to the bottom of the range. At least another 30 pips at least. 30 pips. Euro JPY, GBP JPY continuing. No, that looks like there's this 500 level and this rejection level which we're looking at. So we'll have to wait for price to close before we can take this trade properly. GBP JPY is also not closing above the 650 level which we marked out. Gold retracement strong, back above 1970, so that's a no on gold. Euro JPY, it looks really good. Euro JPY to continue up. But that's when like the 45 minute also closes now. 45-minute closure about this level over here would have been good. I think Euro JPY, once we flip this 45-minute candle bullish, we can continue. Because that is the 15-minute breakout. Gold. Just a wick fill is more than enough. GBP JPY at the resistance. Euro JPY. We just gotta wait for it. Let the trades come to us. Let's not chase anything. Because right now it's not coming to us. Look at this big retracement. Euro JPY retracing. Easy 10 pips just at the top of this range, but yeah, we need to be careful. GBP JPY coming down. I think Euro JPY has potential. To push up to this level right away. I have made an entry on Euro USD. Oh, that's awesome. Was it Euro USD buys or sells? Stop loss to break even once you break that previous high. Alright, my stops are already at break even or trailing stops? No. Easy move. That should be up. Oh wow, it stopped me out before continuing. I was in from here. Never mind. Buy Euro USD. Fantastic, lad. This is my Euro USD chart. Alright. But again, remember, you're right at this resistance right away. Euro JPY, come on, what are we talking about? I was in this. Anyway, it's okay. A little frustrating, but it's alright. Gold also flipping. Okay, Azim, your Euro USD is trying to continue up here, which is good. Gold can easily run down another 50 pips, honestly. Down to this level.
A show of force in Corsica's capital, Ajaccio. The target of their anger, government buildings, a courthouse, a bank, and the police, here responding with tear gas. Violence started after jailed Corsican nationalist Yvon Colonna was beaten into a coma by a fellow inmate.
Il faut être violent pour se faire entendre.
You have to be violent to be heard. It's not normal. When you're afraid of the confrontations, then the state gives in. It's unfortunate that it has come to this. You have to wait until a man is in a coma to react.
Once France's most wanted man, Yvon Colonna is serving a life sentence in southern France for killing an official in 1998. His demand for transfer to Corsica had been ignored until Tuesday. Under immense pressure from protesters, Prime Minister Jean Castex allowed the order after the attack. Many here blame the French government for the assault and say the transfer order came too late.
Ce qui s'est passé est très grave.
What happened is very serious. The assassination attempt on Yvon Colonna is very, very serious. And so I think that many people on the continent are not aware of what really happened and of the expectations of the Corsican people.
Days of protests have spread across the cities of Ajaccio, Calvi and Bastia.
Can you just notice that everywhere in the world it's just like there's war, there's confusion, there's doubt, there's some form of catastrophe, there's some form of like fighting and invasions and everything. Wherever we look around us, all the countries, you know, it's very interesting. There's just fighting all around, you know. There's just war, and yeah, it's sad. It's very sad. Not gonna lie. GJ continuing, Euro JPY continuing. What are we talking about? Ah, I call these EJ buys off, yo. That's 12 pips now. I would have been up $200 easy. That was frustrating. It's okay. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Come on, guys, what's poppin'? Oh, GJ, what's happening? Oh, GJ from where we called it, by the way. 20 pips. Easy from where we called it. If we just have 3 stops, we would have win of 20 pips easy. Should I hold Euro USD? Careful, man. At least move to break even. Move to break even so you don't want it to reverse on you, right? If we respect this region, we should be good. Alright, who else in the chat is in any trades? Let me know if y'all are in any trades. And Praise has joined us on this call. Fantastic. Can you take a look? So sorry, Praise.
It's okay, mate. It's okay.
I didn't see that message till just now. But yeah, USD CAD.
It's late. It was already retraced. Yeah, it was already retraced.
Yeah. The thing is, I think even on USD CAD, right, the danger with it is that when you look on all the time frames, we have this support which is too close. It's not even 10 pips. You know, so you would have to be 100% correct in order to catch those in a 10 pip range. To attempt 10 pips in a 10 pip range, you have to be absolutely 100% correct. USD JPY, we're moving on up, eh? Alright. Yeah, once we close above this region, we should start moving up. That's how it works, right? You have a low, you have a higher low, you have a high, you have a higher high. And that's how a bullish trend works. So you buy when you start creating higher highs and higher lows, and you sell when you start creating lower highs and lower lows. Give me a second, I'll be right back. Alright. USD. Euro USD. Boom. Let's go. What happened? Do we fly on Euro USD? Oh, damn. Let's go. What are we talking about on Euro USD? Euro JPY, we've closed that resistance. What a nice trade that was. GBP JPY, we've closed. Yeah, we've closed that resistance. If we break this resistance, we could get a nice little banger in. Yeah, you see this? We break this resistance, we move up to this one. And we all know that the next level is 800. Key psychological area for GJ. That's 15 pips away, so that should be good on EU. Yeah, EU just broke out, right? Over here. So now when you look at it, this level doesn't matter. We should be able to clear this. Yeah, we've broken this level, so we should start seeing EU continue up. Respecting, like this 1 hour keeps respecting each other's lows, and we just continue up. UJ buy. 1 second. Euro JPY. Okay, UJ buys are now slowly dying out because we haven't broken above that level. Oh, Euro JPY makes me a little sad, but it's fine. What is up? What's up? Alright, so out of 24 votes, 83% of y'all are looking for bangers, and 17% said no, not really, just chillin'. So y'all get the vibe. AUD USD. Yeah, AUD USD, as soon as we break these lows, you can sell it. 370. And those sells will come pretty far down too. Like, we could visit previous 4-hour lows, but we have to break this low first. If we close this 50-minute of GJ above this level, do you think we get a good volume kick in? Come on, chat, let me know. What do you all think? AUD USD, that's it. Those cells are now no longer valid, to be honest. Alright, Azim says yes. Alright, let's get focused in. Okay, I think GBP USD is struggling a little. Let's just break it down again. Daily time frame. Hourly. Lower. This is actually a psychological point right over there. Alright, so this is the daily flip over here. Okay, so 468. So to 500, you can say is the level of rejection. So if you look at this level right over here, this 500 to 480 level, you see lots of rejection. Right? Look at that. So that's why we see GBP USD as an absolute sell and buy. And here's we see it as a sell. Yeah. And if we continue down, look at the 4-hour time frame. We're so clear on the 4-hour time frame. This could be the only hindrance. And the next target should be down here. There you go, you can see it. Look at how perfect that was. And just like that, GJ rejecting hard, Euro rejecting hard. We can possibly wait for the next breakout. The next breakout. Gold going back, most likely. EJ. Yeah, Euro USD looks good to continue up. You see this clean traffic here. At least to that level it should be good. AUD USD, we just look at sells below this 370 level. GBP USD, we have nice setups, it just has to play out. Ooh, GJ dropping hard. Could we see a retracement from this zone? Will Euro JPY continue making those highs once we break these 15-minute highs? Honestly, once we close above these 15-minute highs, we have nothing stopping us. Let's see how this closes. I think Euro JPY will be the trade, possibly. Because Euro is strong, right? Euro is really strong. Yeah, Euro is very strong right now. I don't mind buying the Euro. It's... what? It's my first day in the Forex market. GJ thoughts. Yes, GJ is pulling back. So we're just gonna wait. So that's why we moved to EJ, because EJ is cleaner than GJ. Shabana. It's my first day in the Forex market. Oh, Azim, is today your first trading day, or like have you traded Forex before? So are you trading a demo account, or what are you trading? Oh, that's not a good closure. That's not a good closure. I don't like that closure, so I will not be taking it. This could very well continue, but that's not a good closure. No. I have 1 year experience in Indian stock market. Amazing. I have taken real trade. Alright, that's fantastic, my friend. Yeah, once this 45-minute closes above this level, we can definitely buy it up. But the best buys would have been from down here. Beauties. Gold continuing down. GJ, what's happening? GJ continuing down. So that means that once we break the 650 level of resistance, we should be good to go. This 4-hour candle has broken out of here. So what we may do is just consolidate at 500 and continue. Alright. How many of you are 15-minute gold closure over here? Oh, this is a pretty decent one. Nothing's giving me clear signal. AUD USD looks awesome. Reversal from bottom. Possibly. I thought of that on AUD USD. Let's see what it does over here. But Azim, welcome man, welcome to the stream. Yeah, if we're looking at a risk to reward that is pretty high. Look at that. There's 100 pips of AUD USD going back to the top. EJ is just gonna fly, I think. Gold is dropping. What else are we looking out for? Yo, Praise, PJ, Gypsy, what is good? What's up? What are we looking at? You can put it in general chat also. EJ about to continue, and EJ continues. Is it? Yo, what is good? Dr. Dollar. Yeah, he's a pretty nice guy. Yo, GG's. What is good? Is Dr. Dollar live right now? Let me see. King Keza, welcome to the family. I don't think he's live right now. I've chatted with Dr. Dollar quite a few times. Yeah, he's a nice guy. Nice lad. He's taking some banger trades out here. Look at that, that's beautiful. That's exactly something we would take. Perfect. The breakup structure, you can see it over there, the continuation. Yeah. He trades well here, and now he's been calling some fire trades. His community has grown like crazy. But yeah. EU. Let's check out EU. Okay. Oof. Euro USD is pumping. So let's look at this. Euro USD can now approach this level, and then we can decide what's gonna happen, because that's a 30-minute level. So what we could possibly do is create a high, a low, and a higher high to continue pushing up. Let's go. Thanks for the subs, lads. Alright, so Euro USD should comfortably continue up to 956 at least. 9650, 1.09650 easily. Or 9660. That looks more interesting. And you could have bought it up from this level itself, to be honest. Yo, what's popping off? Scott, welcome. Welcome to the gang. And yeah, Euro USD can continue up to 960 easily. Gold, yeah, gold, I think we said it's a sell below this level, and it never closed back into that range, so it was never a buy. But yeah, I see how it could have made people think it was a buy once we closed back. So we could have assumed that this was a fake out, right? But it's not a fake out, because that 972 level, psychological level, is right over there. So keeping that in mind, you would avoid the fake out, right? And so also the 30-minute didn't close back. We didn't break a 30-minute high. So yeah. And look at the 45-minute. It's such a clean breakup structure and continuation to target this range coming down. Right over there. So that clean breakup structure coming right down. When you do your due diligence, it pays off like crazy. Let's go. Fantastic, insane stuff. But yeah, keep your trades clean. I think that's the best thing y'all can do. Keep your trades clean and watch for these clean breakup structures. Even over here, look at this. Clean breakup structure right over here. And you could have literally taken it based on the confluence and continuation right over here. So you could have had a clean sell right over here. That was like 800 pips odd. But even these, we were talking about it when it was happening last week, you know. So now as we break this low, we should easily continue down. There you go. You saw the break of the low. We should have an easy continuation at least to 1965 easy. Easy dubs at 1965. We could have taken it based on this retest, you know, just a plain simple break and retest retail stop. 26 pip stops and you would have moved down really easily. Yeah, gold does look very nice. Once we close, you could wait for a wick up and then take it back down. But for me, this is just not my type of trade. For me, I would have wanted to be up from here, from the top. So I will not be getting into this. Alright. Oh, not bad. Dr. Dollar's live. So yeah. As we keep focusing on what matters, you keep growing. So yeah, for those of y'all who wanna watch another fantastic live streamer, go back and watch Dr. Dollar. He does some fantastic trades on GJ, EJ Gold. I think EJ is one of his favorite pairs, but yeah, he does bang it out real easy. And they've got a pretty big community on the other side too. Gold continuing down. Can we get the continuation? There's an 80 pip range to the downside. Alright. EJ closing above. That's the 45-minute candle. Look at that breakout, right? We're looking at this breakout. I wouldn't mind getting into this as soon as we close this 45-minute candle. Wick down and wick back up to the top, because we're expecting Euro USD also to move back to the top. So EJ buys would actually work for me. Let's create a bottom wick and then create a top wick. I wanted to create a bottom wick before I can buy it up. How many of you are interested in EJ buys? Playlist. Alright. Oh, but we're at 129 flat. Oh. But 129 flat hasn't been like a key psychological level of any sort, so yeah. Are we respecting it of any sorts? Yeah, look at that respect. Let's see. Let this create a nice bottom wick and then you can buy it up. Plain and simple. This does have the potential to continue. Oh, EJ, once we break this high, could potentially continue. That'd be another 10 pip banger. GJ 15-minute pushing up. 45-minute closed bearish. 30-minute closed bearish. 15-minute once we break above these highs, right, we should be on. We should have a nice trade up to here. Let it create a nice bottom wick and then we can take it on the flip. When it's like continuing and continuing to push. I am in gold cells now and already secured some profits. Beautiful tango. Gold cells 26 pips straight up. Beauty. Beauty, beauty, beauty. Good stuff. Keep it going. So we're just waiting for some incoming buys on Euro JPY. Oh, even Euro USD looks really good once we flip this candle bullish. But that's only 9 pips, so you should have been in there from right down there. Euro JPY. Yeah, let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. I'll tell you if I'm entering and when I'm entering. Because right now it doesn't look too convincing. Look at that. We're now rejecting this 129 level. We came and closed below it. So now as we slowly start closing above it, I don't mind buying it up. Yeah, it does look good to continue up. We have a kind of resistance right over there. Oh, the 2 hour just closed, eh? Yeah, that looks pretty decent. I know today the setups just aren't making me comfortable at all. Today's setups are not giving me the good vibes. The setups are just making me wait today. It does look good, no doubt. Let's see, right over here you can see the problem with it. We're really struggling over there, so why would we try to enter it, you get it? So we need to be careful, we don't want to make a mistake now. Don't make a mistake. Gold retracing. GJ closes above here, we'll take buys 100%. As soon as GJ closes above, we take buys. We have a nice range to the left on GJ. Look at this. Easy buys up. So that's how I'm saying, just wait, be patient. Because that will be, yeah, that'll be a nice 15-minute candle closure above. And even if it doesn't happen in this candle, if it happens in the next, right, we close somewhere there and we close like that, the break of the high should give us a continuation. So plain bullish market structure, higher highs and higher lows, right? Yo Gypsy, what's good? Hello. Maybe we can wait for a 15-minute resistance. Timidity is bad. K1 beats timidity is bad. No doubt K1. Join us up on Discord. Elok, thank you for the sub, my guy. Elok Alban, thank you for the sub. Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. Alright, can we see Euro JPY continue? Alright, we're about to get the GJ buys we want. Let's wait for this candle to close. 5 minutes left for this candle to close. In 5 minutes we can get GJ buys nice and easy. Even I will take GJ buys once we close above this level, but it shouldn't push too far. If we push too far, then we're just going to struggle to for the volume to continue with the price. Could we continue once we break the... Yeah, this 15-minute closure should be good. EJ is pushing. Well and good. It's about time, EJ. We wasted too much time right over here. GJ. Let's go. So you see what gives this GJ confirmation? 15-minute resistance created there and previously. So this break should be a nice break out. You get it? So we should be able to break out and easily push up. That is the goal of this trade. EJ is pushing almost 10 pips at this point. It's okay. Today I was super skeptical, I don't know why, but it's fine. It's okay. How many pips is this? 15. So this should be a pretty decent GJ buy. Simple and easy. Let's look at it. And even EJ is pushing. And gold has continued down. Yeah, gold, as I told you, look at this target range. You see that? 172 flat, just coming straight down. Plain and simple. You all understood, you all know the vibe. The music is waking you up. Let's go. How's it going, Kevon? What's US 30 looking like today? Kevon. Oh, Euro JPY almost hit TP. 13 pips up. Not bad. Euro USD is trying to continue up now. GBP USD at the resistance we've marked. GJ is just continuing. No problem. We wait. This is a breakout, right? That's no problem. We wait. We wait for a nice push on GJ. Look at this though, a nice 25 pips we call. Gold is continuing down. EJ is continuing up. US 30 bullish, got stopped out at entry before I fell asleep looking for entry before it hits 133.250. Alright, I see you. Nice, sounds like you got a plan. Alright guys, we're up to 225 subscribers, not bad. If y'all are here and y'all are watching and y'all like it, do drop a like and a sub. That would be awesome, join the family. Alright, 40 seconds on GJ, we wait for the next candle to wick down, we get in on the flip. We're closed in bullish on GJ. 15-minute time frame. Breaking 650 level. Let's go. Okay, let it wick down. We're gonna let it wick down a little bit more, and then we're gonna put a buy stop at 720. I will only take this on the flip once it wicks a little further down. Or the break of the previous high. Alright, I'm in. Let's see how far we can push. Alright, I'm in from here. Standard 10 pip stop loss. Oh man, I closed my trade by mistake. That is so messed up. Look at this. I closed my... Never mind. Let's go. This sucks, but yeah. I was trying to adjust it, but yeah, it's okay. Let's go. GJ pushing on up. Gold. Tango, are you in them gold cells? What are we talking about? Euro JPY retracing. Euro JPY has been pushing non-stop when you look at it. Buy. EJ. 35 pips up. Easy. No cap. Even if you had a 10 pip stop loss, you're up like big time right now. So yeah. Let's look at the So now if we break this high, I will re-enter with stops right below this. And if once this candle starts breaking its own lows, you want to get out. Only cause as soon as it starts breaking its own lows to create newer lows, that's when you have a problem. Right? Because you don't know how far it's going to continue. So 15 minute, if it starts creating its own lows, you want to get out. Because you're just waiting for price to come and push with volume up. You see, you're waiting for volume. Because I don't wanna, this is just a small trade I'm taking. Just for the point of it, and I'm not yet in. I'm waiting for the break of this high. Again, of course, because I closed the trade by mistake, so I don't mind getting in again. I closed 90%. There is 45 minute support on gold, and my target was on the 1 hour support candle. Interesting. And I'm in small position in. We're just gonna hold that and see how we do on this. 2 pips up. I don't want it to break the previous 5-minute low. You see this? So I'm holding my stops at the previous 5-minute low. I want to just see volume continue pushing bullish. Let's just continue, lad. What are we doing over here? If I don't feel comfortable with this, I might bring stops to break even. So if we break this, then I'm not expecting it to come back down, right? You're expecting bullish momentum to keep pushing. So that's what we're gonna wait for and expect it to keep pushing. Right now we're up 1 pip in profits. I think we can push up easily depending on how price decides right now. I just don't want it to break this previous 5-minute low, because that's a 15-minute low. So as we flip this candle entirely bearish, that's just not good for the trade, because we don't know how low it can keep pushing, right? So that's why you want to be careful. That's why you want to be careful. Let's go 3 pips up. As soon as we hit 800, we are moving break even. Break even at that point. Where is this? Yeah. VE trigger. Let's move break even soon. Alright, how much are we looking? We're almost at $65-70, 3.5, 3.6 pips up, 4.2 pips up. What are we talking about? We're continuing to push up. At this point, would you want this trade to come all the way back down? No. 5 pips up. We're 5 pips up. I'm moving to break even. Stop loss in profit. There you go. Okay, stop loss in profit. I don't want this candle to flip bearish again. I want it to just continue bullish. Okay, you see what I mean? Yeah. I want volume to continue pushing it. 5 pips up, 5.6. Let's go. 6 pips. Can we get 6 pips? Can we get 6 pips? Alright. 6 pips. Can we continue? 7 pips. Alright. 8 pips. Okay. 7.7. 8 pips. I'll close 75% of this trade once we hit 10 pips maybe. 8 pips. I don't want to reject this level. Okay, big rejection. Let's stay careful. Alright, now I'm gonna close 75% of my position and leave the rest to run. Alright, there you go. 75% of my position closed. You can see I only have a 0.64 position open. Alright, and I'm letting it to run up here. If it pushes 20 pips or 30 pips, whatever it pushes. There you go. Now it's a risk-free trade. Don't allow any more risk. You see this 800 level and how crucial it is? That's it. Where is the volume shown on your chart? The volume isn't shown on your chart, mate. You identify volume by watching the charts move again and again. Man, that was gonna be such a banger. We went 8 pips up in profits. So close, yet so far away. Who knows? Can we get a move now? It's coming near stop loss. Are we gonna get stopped out at BE? And we're stopped out at BE. 7 pip. There you go. I think that's all attempts I'm gonna give today. That's it. And I am done for today. Break even trade on GJ. That's my thoughts. You see that rejection from the 800 level? Point 800 is very key for GJ. So that's why I didn't wanna risk it. GJ on the overall time frames. We're approaching this point 800 region which we can reject super hard. So that's why I'd say be careful. Let's be careful of it. Alright guys, come on, there's 18 of y'all, 19 of y'all. What's popping off? Come on, like, drop a like and sub if you aren't already subbed already. Let's go. Look at GJ pullback. You see why I marked the 800 region? So knowing psychological price points also will help you in your trading. I'm gonna wait for the market to form up a little more and then come back. Everything's pulling back. I'm pretty sure I'll be back here at New York session, trying to find a good trade for today. The break of this high would have actually been very important. Anyway, no problem. What is up, Praise?
Hey, what's up? How are you, Alpha?
All good, all good. I'm at break even for the day. What about you?
You know what? Today was a bit messy because I'm at work, so I made a huge mistake. Actually, I had to put a very big lot size, so I had to close before I went miles down.
Oh.
So I just lost about 600, but I will recover.
Oh, okay. Be careful. Be very careful. That's why always check your lot size. For me, I have a lot size calculator like Magic Keys automatically calculates lot sizes for me. So I would really suggest y'all use this tool, you know, if y'all can.
Yeah, but I'll join in the afternoon, so I'll be home and I'll be concentrating very much.
Alright, you'll be there for the New York session?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, sounds good. Alright guys, 18 of y'all, will we be doing New York? Shall we do NY? Ooh, someone subbed. Yo, Chris Michael Richardson, thank you for joining the family, man. Thank you for the sub. What shall we? Today the market's very slow and choppy. Let's go. Before we close the stream, can we hit 230? Alright, Shaheen's joining us for New York session. Sounds good, Shaheen. Who else? This looks good. GBP USD looks really good with the way it closed. But it's just that you want to wait for the 45-minute maybe or 1 hour. Yeah, 45-minute at least will be some confirmation. But yeah, for me I wouldn't be scared, but that's like a interesting point for GU because we can continue up, but we are still in under this zone. So we're not yet in this range, right? But we're still in this range. So would it be a better buy above this resistance? Clean candle. It's gonna be night at New York session here. GJ looks like it's gonna wick full range. GJ does look like that. I was just now looking at that, and it's possible. Yeah, Vedant. When you coming back to India, Vedant? When are you coming back? Oh, okay, no problem. 5th April. Alright, sounds good. Sounds good. And back to trading once you come back here? Oh, yeah. Mm. Alright, welcome to the stream, guys. If you like what you see, yeah, feel free to sub. That's nice, Vedant. Vedant, which brokerage are you using? Which broker are you using? I'm at MFF. Alright, fantastic. Yeah, I think for India, MFF is really good. True Forex funds, guys, if you all want a good brokerage or what you call a prop firm. True Forex funds is really good. I know someone who's used it, but of course I don't I can't confirm on it personally. But I know someone who's used it who said it's really good. They're really prompt on their payouts and everything. And it's only 8% and 4%, and it's 80 to 20 bi-weekly profit split. Like, honestly, you can't go wrong with this prop firm. Interesting, 70,000 euros. And pounds, never mind. Dollars is the best. GJ does look like it's about to wick fill the entire range. If it does that, then GJ just being GJ. What can we say? But yeah, it's important now as you see it. You don't want to overtrade. Let's see what this is all about. Trade better than the market conditions. Instant withdrawals, Bitcoin net law. Okay, I think this is just a standard broker. Interesting. So they're good for India. Azim, where are you from? I forgot to ask you where you're from. GJ and gold, everything continuing now. Why does it take us out and then continue? Oh, let's go, Azim, from India. Let's go, gang. Which state? Azim, also welcome to my Discord server. GJ did a banger. Uttar Pradesh. Let's go. My TP on goal. Hit. Tango. Tango with them. Fire trades. Let's go. Let's go. Beautiful Tango. You're the lad who deserves it all. Tango with them banger goals sells yet again. He hit his TP at 1962. And for our friend Akash, who is holding 800 pips lost, he's now at break even. Yeah, Vedant, actually. DJ with the Wickfill, seriously? Straight up Wickfill. Well, it's okay, sometimes this happens. You know what, in order to not trade this, I'm just gonna call it a stream right over here. I don't wanna take a trade which I don't want to, and yeah, I'm gonna like call it a stream right over here. It was fun trading with you guys. I'll see you guys in the NY session. We took pretty good, decent positions on GJ, which was supposed to be really good, but yeah. So yeah, there you go. These are the trades for today. I closed the half on GJ, right, when it started coming in. I closed another half over here, and then we picked up these bangers right down here, right? So decent overall, good risk management. I see we missed a few trades because we were timid, of course, but it's fine. We wait for our trade setups to play out. K1 in GJ, fantastic. Oh, fantastic, Vedant. Good stuff. Let's go. Beautiful. Vedant has finished his 10k challenge, and GJ got 1-1. Yeah, GJ did get 1-1. K1, fantastic one for you too. Let's go. Beautiful. Good stuff, guys. Keep it up. We shall search for some trades at New York session. I'm pretty sure we should get something today. If not, tomorrow will be our day. But until then, I hope you all had a good session. Don't forget to subscribe if you all aren't already subscribed. Don't forget to like it, smash it, and I will join you in NY. See you guys. Take care.